In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display your top commenters in WordPress Sidebar. Comments allow users to engage with the content on your website. This is why website owners use different methods to encourage comments. Showcasing your most active users in the sidebar of your site can be an effective strategy to motivate other users. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Top Commenters widget plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Simply drag and drop the Top Commenters widget on the sidebar. And now you can configure the widget. You can change the title on the widget, add a description, and then here you can choose the minimum number of comments needed to list a user. Then you can exclude users from here. You can choose a reset period from here, and here are some more settings that you can go through on your own. Now click on Save. And done. Now, when I go to the site, you can see the Top Commenters widget here. Since I don't have any comments on this site, it'll say this, but for you, it'll display a list of all your top commenters. And this is how you can display your top commenters on the WordPress sidebar. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.